Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money to Zabank. First, open the Zabank app on your phone and log in using your username and password. After that, go to the account details section. Here you will find your account number, bank name, and your other transfer details. Copy and write down the information. Now open the bank app you want to send money from and make sure you are logged in to your bank account. Now look for the bank transfer. This is your first time you need to Zabank. Tap add a new page or add receipt. Once you add your Zabank, enter the amount, the account details, any transfer fee if shown. Tap confirm or send or pursue. For security, your bank may ask to enter one-time password, use fingerprint or face ID. Prove the transfer in the app. Once transfer is completed, you will get a notification when the money arrives. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.